Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token price. Today, Tectonic token have actually lost about $6 million. $6 million have been taken out of Tectonic token market cap. This was about $26 million as of few days. There have been a high volume in selling of Tectonic token. Now, I think right now, some coins are gaining. If you take a look at Terra Classic, Shiba Doge, are all gaining in terms of price, in terms of market cap. But this coin, I think what they need to focus right now is in the area of getting more partnership for this coin. Because since last year, it's only VVS Finance and Crypto.com. These two are just the two that have listed Tectonic token. Just recently that Boa City joined, but they have not yet fully ready to start buying and selling on Boa City exchange. But for me, this is a major problem I think they are really facing, because they need to get more wider audience. They need to get more partnership with different crypto exchanges so that they can get more people that will be buying, more people that will be trading this coin. Yes, this coin, when it started, we all know that this coin did well. Based on today, they've deleted about 1-0. This coin have hit about 1000% already since Tectonic token was launched. So what I believe they have done well, but they still need to do more, especially getting more partnership. They need to get partnership with Kucoin, with Get.io. They need to get partnership with other top crypto exchange. That is why you see mostly just between Crypto.com and VVS Finance. And VVS Finance has been really be doing well. They've been trying, that they've been controlling the largest volume of Tectonic token in the past. So I believe that it is not yet over for Tectonic token. I saw a tweet where someone said Tectonic token will keep dropping down in price. But I think Crypto.com, that one that hosted this coin, they will do everything necessary, everything possible to make sure that Tectonic token will bounce back. Tectonic token will rise this year in terms of market cap and price. And I know that it's one of the best coins right now. This coin still have about 6 zeros at the time of recording this, and I pay zeros. It's one of the coins whereby if you buy or just invest a little money, you'll be buying thousands and thousands of Tectonic token, if not millions of Tectonic token coins. But I think they need to really work hard in the area of destroying these coins, but most importantly, try to get more exchanges to list these coins, trying to get more partnership across Asia, across Europe, across America, across Africa. So, but I know today they've lost about $6 million in the past few days, which I know we will bounce back very soon. Don't be surprised before the end of this year. I believe the market cap will be trading between $100 million. Please remember that this is not a financial advice, so please cannot do your research before taking any decision. Now, this year, I believe that already they promised us they will be getting more exchanges to list this coin. I believe before the end of June this year, we might be seeing 2 or 3 more crypto exchanges that will be listing Tectonic token.